Hi folks, Russ here with Pro Steam UK. We're part of the Car Cleanse UK network. Today we're working on a Peugeot 108 that has a contamination problem. As you can see here, we have mould growing on the seats and on the carpets and in other areas in the boot as well, I believe. Here we are. Okay. Now, mould is caused by, could be a number of things, but mainly it's bacteria. It's human contact. We all carry bacteria on our hands, and that's probably where that's come from. But bacteria needs to grow in certain environments, and if you don't use your vehicle, you don't keep it aired, you don't open the doors or the windows, bacteria will grow and it will multiply. And this is exactly what's happened here. So what we're going to do with this car, we're going to perform a full interior deep clean. Okay, everything, the seats have got to come out. We've got to get to every single accessible area inside the vehicle. All right, to do this, we clean it and then we use a product to kill the bacteria. All right, this is the only way to do this, folks. You may get a valeting company turn around and go, yeah, we can do that, a couple of hours work, 70 quid, thank you very much. It doesn't work like that. Okay, and when you see the lengths we go to, you'll realise that going cheap is not the right option. We return back to this car as Peugeot 108. You remember yesterday we performed a full interior cleanse of the vehicle, took the seats out so we could get to the flooring, and with a lot of work we've managed to dry out the carpets and the subfloor. We removed a huge amount of moisture from the car using a powerful dehumidifier overnight. Yeah, there you go. Everything has been done. So we've cleaned the headlining, all the pillars, all the seat belts have been deep cleans, door panels, the high contact areas such as the steering wheel, the indicator stalks. Okay, we even get right into the ventilation system, clean all the vents. All right, center console, gear stick, there was a lot of crud all in those areas there. That's all been cleaned and disinfected. Okay, all the fabrics have been cleaned and sanitized. All right, I mean the carpets were in a right mess. Lovely little car, but unfortunately you know, it was a bit grotty. I mean, it's little things like this. So we take part of the rear seating out so we can get to all those areas. You can see how clean that is down there. Okay, the boot's been refitted. Okay, that's all been done, and that's all nice and clean and dry. And so there you have it, folks. No more mould, obviously, but the amount of work that goes into decontaminating a car, this is not a quick job, a quick valet. It's taken you know, 1.5 days pretty much, and an overnight drying out and ozone treatment. So there you have it, all done, ready to go back to the customer. Hopefully the customer will be really happy.